Hey y'all, so in my quest to get out of town, spur of the moment, I have to leave town, and the boat was stocked for a whole month-long voyage. So I'm trying to create some things for Billy to have to eat to use up what is fresh, and I have this half a chicken that I roasted the other night. And I debated between like chicken casserole or chicken pot pie. And ultimately, I think I'm going to do a chicken salad because I think he's probably more likely to eat that than something that he'll have to cook or warm up. And because I have a lot of fresh stuff in the refrigerator, I have fresh dill, I've got celery, I had green onions. I'm going to kind of combine all of those things for this chicken salad. So let me get this chicken cut up. So I've got my chicken chopped up, and I would say maybe about 3 cups of chicken. Now I have all of this dill, and I don't know what I'm going to do with all the rest of this dill, but I chopped up a bunch of dill, probably at least 2 tablespoons, 2 stalks of celery, and then I have some green onions that I have soaking in some ice water so that they'll get nice and crisp and lose that real strong flavor. There's still some ice cubes in there to work around. I'm going to let those drain and we'll come back to them. I've got half a cup of walnuts. And then I think I'm going to do some grapes because we have some grapes. I think I'll just cut those in half. They're not that big. I think if they were really big grapes, I'd probably cut them into quarters. But I think I'm just going to cut them in half. So I got my onions drained. Now, if I didn't have the green onions, I probably would have done a red onion. Now, I never buy Greek yogurt. I always buy regular plain yogurt, make Greek yogurt. But I think by mistake, I bought Greek yogurt. So instead of mayonnaise here, I'm going to go with the Greek yogurt. And I'm going to add the zest of a lemon and the juice of a lemon, or maybe half a lemon, depending on how much. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I had to go to my freezer stash because I had a whole bag of lemons that I had bought. And I juiced all of them this morning to make Billy some lemonade. So I had to go to my freezer stash. You know what? Let's go ahead and do some salt and pepper here. Now, you do not have to do yogurt here, obviously. You can do half yogurt, half mayonnaise, all mayonnaise. And I'm probably going to start with about 2 cups and see how that does. But it sure does look pretty. So let's have a taste. Good. I like that. I really like that dill. Definitely a little more salt and pepper, I think. And I think the yogurt is fine. Let's do another taste. Really good. Really good. Alright, so this is such a great chicken salad. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. We'll put the recipe over on the website. Yogurt and dill chicken salad. It's beautiful. Thanks, y'all. Thanks for being here. I'll see you later.